Hello, coming to you from Shade Tree Customs. Got another little project I want to show you. Gonna be coming up here soon. I was told it's a 54 or a 52, but the way the bed is, I think it's a 54. Running 6-cylinder. It was running when they started stripping it down. They said it had too much rust. I kind of disagree. I don't think it's too bad. A little bit of rust repair around that. A little bit of rust repair on the window. Nothing a welder and a little bit of metal can't fix. Some of the problem areas. Cab corners. The back window's the worst part about it, I think. That really ain't gonna be too bad. Said he had it running and driving around the shop. Some friends of mine. Got the hood. Two pretty good doors. Got a little bit of rust on the bottom of them, but all in all, pretty good. Inner fenders, rear fenders. Oh, can't show you that yet. Bed, see how got the flat tops on the bed. I think only, in my experience, looking up, only the 54s had the flat top. But that stuff's pretty good. The cab's the only thing that's in real bad shape. Couple of new pieces. Got a tiny bit of rust in the fenders, like right there. Fix all that. That ain't nothing. Ain't nothing. Big box and a little bit of welder. A little bit of welding. Or new fenders. Fenders ain't that high. Looks like it's the original green color. A lot of Bondo there. Been repaired on one time before. Alright. About ready to get this one going. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, thumbs down. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share. Tell me, what would you like to see? Original, LS swap? Probably original since it's supposedly the original motor. We'll find all that out. Y'all have a good one.